Alright, I am going to be doing 5 solves. I'm going to post scrambles in the description in case you want them. U, B prime, F2, U, B prime, B prime, U, B, L prime, F2, B prime, D, U2, R prime, B prime, U prime, R2, L prime, R prime, U, B, D. Alright. Quick inspection. And first solve. Alright, that was 55. Copy next scramble. Now B, F, U prime, B2, R2, U prime, F prime, B prime, D prime, F prime, B prime, U prime, F2, L, R prime, B, D2, B2, R prime, U prime, F, R2, U2, B2, D2. Alright. Another quick inspection. I really need better lights in here. That's a bit better. 2 of 5 solves. Next one, F prime, U prime, B2, B2, L2, B, F2, U prime, D prime, L2, R2, F2, L2, B prime, R2, L2, D, B, F prime, U prime, L, B prime, R, U, R prime. And I don't guarantee that I do these scrambles correctly, but I do my best. Alright, next solve. May have lost some time right then. Not sure though. That was even better. I'm getting there. I'm getting better. Not much, but I'm getting there. Fourth solve of 5. D2, B, D, L2, U2, R, B prime, U2, L, B prime, F prime, B2, F prime, R, F2, L2, B, R prime, D prime, R, U2, L, D, R, U prime. Alright. Ew, that was terrible. That was over 1 minute. That was bad. That was very, very bad. Bad, Landon. Bad. Alright, final solve. U, L2, B prime, F prime, U2, L prime, U2, L prime, F, L prime, U2, B, D, F prime, L, U prime, B2, B, R prime, B, R2, U, D2, and B. Alright, final solve. And go. I make weird noises when I solve cubes. And that was my best solve by 17 milliseconds, I think. That's what they're called. Alright, so that's 5 solves. My average is 51 seconds. My 3 of 5 is 49.5. So that's not too bad for me. That's terrible for other cubers, but it's not too bad for me. Yeah.